Adamson. Today we're at First Choice Collision Repair. Today's the day. Today we get to pick up Penelope, and I'm so incredibly excited. So come on, let's go see what she looks like. Okay, you guys, this is the big reveal. Penelope is right in front of us, and I have to tell you, she looks brand new. I'm going to show you her in just a minute. Evan, he's the gentleman here that has been with me the whole entire time, and really the attention to detail. We're going to show everyone what you guys did, but this is incredible.
Thank you.
And so the process now, hopefully you guys saw the other videos. If you haven't, just go up on the playlist and you'll see them there. But the before and after pictures are just incredible. The attention to detail, it's beautiful.
Thank you. Yeah.
So how do you guys do that? Like from the beginning to the end?
So many people touch everything. There's so many different processes. So, first off, we go over it with you because you know your car better than anybody, and you point out everything that you can see, but then there's more that goes to it than that. We take it inside and start taking things apart and look for any hidden damage that we can't see out here. And in this case, mostly everything was cosmetics. We didn't really find anything like that, just bumps and bruises, from
right.
years of love, really.
Yes, Nerf guns, bicycles, boulders, just like I say, it's life's little dents and dings. So, but the process that you guys took us through was just incredible. So, and really, in all honesty, you guys, this was just a little over a week that it took them to do all this. And they are just so precise and so detailed and so wonderful from the minute you walk into the reception area until out you pick it up. It's just they're with you every step of the way. You know exactly what's going on with your car, and I can't say anything good to say about these wonderful people.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, well, let's do the big reveal so you guys can see. Remember where I told you I backed into my best friend's car? Look it's beautiful. Where the mean people in the grocery store parking lot slammed their door into the car, there's nothing there. It is beautiful. And it's so shiny. They detailed it. Look how clean it is. There's no more marks, no more Nerf gun. There's no more bike dings. It is just incredible. So, if you need any kind of body work done, First Choice Collision Repair is your destination. And of course, we have all the links and phone numbers. And once again, Evan, thank you to you and your team. Thank you to Todd Good and his family. It's been an amazing experience.